So my name is Nihat and welcome to my virtual lab session. So let me explain firstly what's our task. We have to find percentage of alcohol in densities of alcoholic beverage A and B in virtual activity. So we have to firstly we have to know that the density of alcohol. Let's find firstly density of alcohol. For that we need some beakers, for example this one, and we need some cylinders, uh, for example this one, and that's all. And we have, I just open it, scale, and as you see here, right here, with scale we will find the mass of our stuff. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to put our beaker right here. I don't understand why it doesn't work. Does not work. All right, let me try one more time. Okay, it happened at the lesson 2. Let me remove it and scale again, and let me try again. Here we go. Here we go. It should be okay now. Okay, so we have to, for example, 10 milliliter is the best option for some calculations. That's why I'm just gonna put 10 right here and pour. And as you see, we have right here 90 and we have 10. And after it, I'm just drop it to our beaker. And we can figure out our mass of liquid and so alcohol, and it shows 8.8165. And I just opened it right here, our whiteboard. Let's get started some calculations. So we know that rho equal m divided volume. So our volume is 10, and that's why and we know that it is 70% of alcohol. Firstly we have to find how much water and how much just alcohol we have. We know that if 70% of liquid and alcohol liquid, it means we have 3 milliliter just water. Let me write just water, and let me a little bit make it bigger. And we have 7 milliliter just alcohol. Here we go. And we know that the density of water is 1. That's why I'm just gonna multiply it. 3 multiply 1 and plus plus volume of alcohol is 7, and 7 multiply x should be equal m1 plus m2 equal total total mass, and our total mass is 8.8165. 8.8165. And after some calculations, we will get 5.8165 and x equal 5 point. Let me calculate right here. Just here we go. Divided by 7, and we will get 0.8301, as I remembered. Here we go. This is our density. We found our density, and let me remove these ones. Remove and remove and remove. As you saw, we just found density of alcohol. Again, the same process, and this at this time we will find alcohol beverage A. And again, let's take trade as a 0. Okay, let me remove this one again and scale and put it and tear, and then I just take 10 milliliter again. I'm sorry, I just did it vice versa. 10 milliliter. Here we go. And after that I just put it right here, pour, and as we saw, our total mass is 9.7943. And let's go back. It doesn't open. Here we go. So my Mac RAM is just, it is frozen, I think. Is it? It's not? Why it doesn't move? What the hell is wrong? Okay, I just want to move just the notes. So we found that our total mass is 9 point, let me write it, total mass equal 9 point, and we know total volume equal 10 milliliter, and we know density of water, raw water is 1 gram over minute, and density of what? Alcohol equal, what was that? 0. Gram over minute. So we have to find alcoholic beverage. Some spell. Alcoholic beverage A, and X multiply 0.83909 plus 10 minus X. I hope you figure out it what's X. X is the mass of alcohol, and multiply just 1 equal total mass. I'll just write 943, and let me figure out it. It will, I hope it will equal calculator. Plus 10 minus X equal 3. And we will get 1 minus 0.8309 should be equal 0.91x equal, I just dropped the minus, 10 minus 9.743, oops, 10 minus, okay, 1 minus 0.7943. We got 0.2087, and x equal divided by 0.1691. Here we go. We got our result. So as we see, we have 1.2164 gram alcohol, and it means when we multiply it by 100, we will get 1 over 1.2164 over 10, and multiply 100%, we will get what? 12 point, that's right, 12.16%. This is our alcohol beverage A, and the same procedure for B, and this total mass is for this one, and we have to find total mass for average B. That's why I'm just gonna remove quickly everything. Remove. I'm sorry for my language, because as you know, online classes just killed my language, and I'm IT guy, that's why I don't use a lot the language. Okay, let's put one more cylinder, and where's our beverage B, and just put right here to here, and drop 10 milliliter, and that's it, and drop right here. We got our result, 9.18. 34. My Mac just goes crazy. And let's move total mass equal 9.18 1834. And let's call it A. A multiply 0.what density of alcohol 3. Let me quickly A and 1834, and we will get 10 minus 9.1834 equal 8166, and divided 0.1691. Here we go. We got 4.8290, and as we did, divided by 10, and the result multiply 100%, and we will get 4829. I know that it was boring because of my language, but I tried my best, and as you see, it's 9:46, and I couldn't practice a lot, but I hope you enjoyed. Thanks a lot. See you next time.